Welcome back. It's Mike. Today is the 23rd of October and it's 11:26 p.m. And as you can see on the right hand side of the screen, that's my account balance with $46,795.53 which I earned in the past 6 weeks. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how my full arbitrage trading tool works so you can trade and make profit too. Let's begin. First, I'm clicking on the Pro Trading Platform. The reason that I'm trading with the Pro Trading Platform by Byrex is because it's more organized. I can trade from the regular trading platform as well, but I prefer the Pro platform. It's more organized and I can see all the assets in front of me. You can trade on the Pro platform commodities, indices, stocks, and currency pairs. Here you can see all the assets. Now moving back to my tool to choose a notification. My full arbitrage trading tool is comparing one asset against another, and in this graph you can see the pair's behavior. So when there is a notification alert, that would be your best entry point. Okay, let's choose the first notification, Euro against Canadian dollar. So I need to buy that pair. So I go back to the platform and I'm looking for that particular pair. So I'm going to scroll down and there it is, Euro against Canadian dollar, and I'm gonna click on the green button. The 60 seconds time frame and the $10 investment is already on as a default, so the only thing left to do is to click apply. Okay, let's take a look at the open position. Here you can see the asset that we're trading on, the amount of investment, the entry price. There you can see the current price and the expiry time left for the trade. Our position is changing colors from green to gray to red. What it means is just that green, it's a profitable trade, red, unprofitable trade, and gray means that we broke even. We didn't lose any, but we didn't make any. I'm trading 60 seconds options, simply because my tool is designed for short-term trades to capture arbitrage situations that allows me to profit every single time. And when I combine my tool alongside with my method, there is always one outcome. So we got about 10 seconds left for that trade. Let's wait and see if we're going to finish at the money, in the money, or out of the money, and then we can look what we're doing forward. So it was unprofitable trade. We click on the green button once again. Now we're going to choose a different amount. We're going with the same direction, just with $30. You see that the payout is 51. Click apply. Don't get me wrong. I'm not happy that I lost the previous trade, but I'm not sad too. My emotions are completely removed, and that's because I have a complete faith in my trading tool and in my method. Also keep in mind that I'm not pausing the video or saying I'll be back in a second or so. Everything that I'm doing is in live mode. So we got about 40 seconds left for that trade. Let's wait and see how this trade comes out. You're probably asking yourself what's that sound in the background. That's the full arbitrage trading tool. It gives you notification. It's not just popping out in the tool itself. It gives you an alert so you will be aware of arbitrage trades at all time. About 5 seconds left on that trade. Our second trade is unsuccessful trade 2. So immediately after, I'm moving to step 3 in my method, which involves a $90 investment. After you click that, you see 153, you click apply. Alright, so that's hilarious actually. I didn't notice that I actually won the last trade. I'm telling you to stay calm and focus. Well, myself, I'm not concentrated. But that's alright. My tool is so accurate that I'm positive that I will win the $90 investment as well. As I just mentioned, it's very important to stay calm no matter what. If you're winning or losing. If you are here just to win 1 or 2 times, my suggestion is to go and play the casino. You have always to stay cool and concentrate on my method. As long as you're following my step-by-step guide and my trading tool, you know you have an extra advantage. Another recommendation to you is to always look at the current price, as you can see in the graph, and the entry price, so you know where you're standing in terms of the position. 5 seconds left in that trade. Let's see if it's a profitable trade. Alright, it was a profitable trade. We won that trade. Great job, we're done. Now we go back to the full arbitrage trading tool to pick a new notification to follow the strategy. So we got a new notification, sell British Petroleum. British Petroleum is a stock in the UK market. So it's red. We're going to click on the platform. We're going to choose stocks this time. It's going to be in that category. So now we need to look in the platform to see where British Petroleum is. So we're going to scroll down. There is a big list here. There we go, British Petroleum. And now we click on the red button, just like it said in the tool. So 60 seconds, $10 investment is already set up as a default. Click apply and we are on. Let's talk a little bit about the strategy. Let's take for instance British Petroleum, which we are now trading on. We got a notification from the full arbitrage trading tool and we open the position just like it says. After we finish the trade, we look if it was profitable or unprofitable trade. If it was profitable, we move on to the next notification. If not, we're going to open the same position just with $30 this time. If the $30 investment is unsuccessful, we move to $90. If the $90 is unsuccessful as well, we move into the last step, which is $270, but that's 100% probability in our favor. So that's the beauty of the system. You can always cover your losses and make money. So we got about 10 seconds for that trade. Let's see how it finishes up and then we know what to open. Okay, so we finished at the money. We didn't make any, but we didn't lose any. Click on put again, the red button. 60 seconds, this time $10 because we finished at the money. So we need to open the same position once again. Back in the days when I worked at a trading company, they used to follow that arbitrage trading tool a lot, and they developed a lot of strategies for that. Nowadays, people don't use that strategy because it's something that I developed. Once I left that company, I decided to give it to you, to the people. That's why I'm showing you a live demonstration of how it works. This is the most helpful resource that you will use in trading. It's just the best tool for everyone. It suits to everyone and everyone can trade with it. It's so simple. Five seconds left in that trade. It looks like it's going to be unprofitable trade. Let's wait and see. Alright, it was unprofitable trade. Click on the rent button once again. Click on the amount, choose $30 because that's the strategy. Click apply and now we got the position open. You see that I'm doing all these trading while explaining you about the market and about the tool and about the system. And I'm staying calm. I'm not getting excited or panicking whether I lose or trade or win on a trade. I'm just following the strategy with the tool. It's so simple. It's just like 1, 2, 3. You know, the position ended up in the money. Great. I moved to the next notification. The position finished out of the money. Great. I opened the same position just with more money, with $30. Just like I'm using my system. It's so simple. It's so efficient. And this system will make you tons of money. So we got about 3 seconds left in that trade and it's a profitable trade. Great, great. So we go back to the tool, follow the method, look for the new notification. We got the United States dollar against the African rand and it's red, so it means sell. So we go back to the Pro platform, click on currencies, look for that particular pair. So we click on the red button. Now we got 60 seconds $10 investments default and click apply. So you notice that the full arbitrage trading tool is not giving you an alerts only on currencies and only on stocks or indices. It scans throughout the whole market and gives you the best entry for every trade that you go in. That's why it's so accurate. You're probably asking yourself, why don't I sell that tool? Well, the reason is I'm making enough money using that tool myself. The other thing is, I would like to explore it and give it to the people. so you guys can give me feedbacks about the tool, about how it's working, and we can work together and develop a much better tool for everyone. So that's the reason I'm showing it to everyone and giving it for free. Two seconds left for the trade, and it's unsuccessful trade. Great. We click on the red button. Now we're going to choose $30, 30. You see the payout is 51, and then we're going to click apply. And you hear me happy and all, but I mean, I'm not getting excited about trading. It's just I'm happy that I can show you my strategy. Even though I'm losing, you're gonna see that I'm making money. That's the reason I'm showing a live demonstration. You're gonna see me losing once in a while, but I'm not getting all sad and I'm broken up and panicking or anything like that. I just follow the strategy. I just open up the second position, just like that. It's so easy. 5 seconds left for that trade. Let's see how it comes out. Great, it's a profitable trade. Back to the full arbitrage trading tool. Now let's look at the new notification, Euro against New Zealand dollar. So back to the platform, we're going to pick that pair and click on call because it said buy. Same as always, it's set to default. Click apply. Now the position is open. So we're going to wait to see how that position comes out, and then we move in with the strategy. If it's a winning trade, move into the next notification. If it's a losing trade, we'll open the same position, same direction, just with $30. Do you remember how it works? 10, 30, 90, 270. Well, we didn't even get to the 270. I hope that in the next couple of minutes we will have one trade that goes 3 times against us and I can open a bigger position. Two seconds left in the trade. Unprofitable trade. Great. Now we're going to open the same position. Click on the green button, choose the amount, $30 investment, and click apply. Just like the system says, you're losing on one trade, you open the next trade, $30, same direction. Very important to keep an eye on the direction all the time. Very important to see where we're going to. Okay, so if the trade was unprofitable, we're not changing the directions or letting emotions take over trading. We're staying with the same strategy all the time. 39 seconds left for the trade. Let's wait and see how that trade comes out. We got about 8 seconds left. Let's wait and see how that trade comes out. All right. So it's an unprofitable trade. Great. Again, press on the green button. Choose the amount. Now we're going $90. 90. You see that the payout is 153. Click apply. Close. So we got the position already open. That's our third trade. If that trade is going in our favor, it's great. We move to the next notification and we made money. If that trade is not going well, we're going to open the last position, $270 position with 100% probability. So the arbitrage tool is pretty accurate. Most of the times I never get to the fourth trade. I hope this time I will get to it and I will show you how I'm making money even though I lost 3 times. 3 seconds left for that trade. And it's a profitable trade after all. Alright, so we didn't get to the fourth trade. The arbitrage trading tool is very, very accurate. So most of the time you don't get there. Okay, let's open the tool again. We got a new one. United States dollar against the Turkish lira. Back to the platform. Let's pick that pair. And click on the green button just like the arbitrage tool told us. 60 seconds, $10 is default. Apply. And then click close. And we have another position on. So let's wait and see how that position comes out. We got about 10 seconds left for that trade. If that trade is going to be profitable, I'm going to wrap up the video. If it's going to be unprofitable, I'm just going to continue with my method. So it was a profitable trade, great. I hope you all enjoyed my video. You can look at the right hand side of the screen. That's my account balance at the moment. We made about $147 in the past 15 minutes. That's the real power of the full arbitrage trading tool. For those of you who found my video a bit too fast, you can replay the video at all time. You have a lot of information in the page below. Sign up with your details and get the full arbitrage trading tool today. And you're going to make a lot of profits just the way I do. I hope I helped you with that video. Have a great one. Enjoy. Take care. Bye-bye.